This is a Subaru WRC 99 car, which basically is the era just after Colin McRae left the Subaru team, and been driven previously by, you'll see the two names on the side, a chap called Bruno Ferry, who was a Belgian. Now, he obviously competed in the works team alongside Richard Bird and Tommy McKinnon, and basically the car's like been and done the Monte Carlo Rally in 1999, and obviously I bought the car, I competed in the car, and then I've done a full refurbishment of the car, and now I brought it here today to the Accrington Pals.
Down in Buckinghamshire too good. He's got a voice like a folk ball.
Well,
you got that?
I've just said I went down to rang me up as if I needed it.
I was saying to Paddy when we drove through here, I'm as much as sorry, John, very nice. Well, here I am swinging Accrington. I'm wondering how many of the relations are here with the army guys. What a lovely picture of it.
Oh yay! Oh yay! Oh yay! Please welcome the worshipful, the Mayor, Councillor Munsif Dad and his party. Ladies and gentlemen and all those present, you are welcome here at Accrington Town Centre to this extravaganza called Rallying with Group B. They have their splendid cavalcade of cars. They are all here to pay tribute to the fallen of World War I, and in particular those from the Hyndburn area who served king and country and are still known as the Accrington Pals. Kevin Ferber. And finally, we have James Beattie, manager of Accrington Stanley. God save the Queen!
I'm Civil Bolton, local fella. Long time since he's been out. Good to see him back out on the circuit again.
Right, brilliant. And these are our sponsors today, I believe.
Yes, we are.
Right, superb. What else can you tell me about the car? Hopefully you're going to tell me something.
It's a Mini.
Yeah, it's actually a Mini Clubman with a full steel front end on it. Built with 12-inch front wheels, 10-inch back wheels for tractability. Done a lot of history. Won the Motor News round in 1976, I believe. We've got some good history about it.
Okay, that's what I was just going to ask you. What sort of rallies has it done? Has it done anything in the past? So yeah, thank you very much for that. Okay, thanks very much.
Okay, sir, when you're ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So, can you give me some history on this one and where you're from and who you are?
David Thomas, and I live on the Isle of Mull, off the west coast of Scotland.
Ah, that's a really famous place for the rallying up there. I've been quite a few times myself. Really nice place. What about the Mini itself?
It's taken me a long time to tell you it all, but I spent 4 years driving around the world.
Oh dear. What can I say? Are you ready to go and do a little bit more?
I am, indeed I am. And can I say what a fantastic cause this is for? And all the effort that is put in by so many people, and the people who turned up today to support it. Really commendable for this part of the world. Fantastic.
Okay, thank you very much. We'll see you up at the Duncan Hotel shortly. Thank you very much.
Okay, boss, see you later.
Flames coming out of the exhaust. We'll get them up here. That's brilliant. Thank you very much for that. I know you need to get away because the engine's getting a bit warm there, I understand. Oh, off you go. Thanks very much. Hi there. So just a little bit of history on this one if you can please. It's obviously a Ford Escort RS2000.
Yes, a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is a Ford RS2000 from 1978, and I won the British Castrol Sport Rally Championship then for Group 1. It was a sister to some larger Group 4 brothers from the PCA Motorsport stable based in Skipton.
Are we a left-hand driver or a right-hand driver? Actually, a right-hand driver. So, hopefully we can just have a little chat with you. Can you give me some history, who you are, where you're from, and about the car?
I'm Dave Hicks from Shropshire, from Wixford, Shropshire. The car is a replica of Tony Khan's Manx winning car. It is a replica, it's not the genuine art.
Very much for bringing it along, it's really nice, very nice indeed. Thank you.
Okay, sir. And away you go.
Triple S, 1600.
Thank you very much for coming along. See you later. Wow, 129. Wow, that's really good. So a really nice example of you, did you say that? Wow, fantastic. Okay, thank you very much for bringing it along, and we'll see you up at the open house then. Alright, thank you. Chat, can you give me a little bit of history with this car, what you're doing? I'm looking at it, maybe road rally, I would say.
Well, yeah, road rally, also had a massive comeback.
So you've owned this car a long time then?
Rushed around today, basically.
For the gym part rally, it's a pure tarmac car this. It could go on